Hi, it's Anita from Anita's Kitchen. So I'm on the mood of having some chocolate, but I'm going to make it with some Rajgaro or Amaranth. This is like the in thing today. It's in most health shops. Foodies are talking about it, nutritionists. And it's one of those ancient grains that kind of like lost its way during these modern times. But it's been a staple diet in my family because it's used during fasting. It's turned into flour, desserts, porridges. But what I fancy today is what I call my running boost, because I've recently started running, and this is the first thing that came into my mind, and it kind of gives me the energy to run. So I have it before I start running because it's just lighter on my tummy as well. The best thing about this is it's got all my favorite things that I like. Dates, chocolate. I'm a big fan of chocolate in any form, any shape. Coconut oil, almonds. And what I do is I use the zest of an orange to give that nice, fresh, citrusy zing to it. So what you need first, this is the fun part. Your pan needs to be really hot, and you need to put your Amaranth or your Rajgaro in, and it will start popping like popcorn. So you need to make sure it's really, really hot. That's what I'm gonna do. Put it on the highest setting that you have. In such a simple dish, with such simple ingredients, you're creating such a nice dessert. And Amaranth was used as part of the Aztecs as well, so it's one of those grains that has been around for years. It's just coming back with a bang these days. So now that's hot, you literally just need to pop that in, give it a stir, and make sure that it doesn't burn. And as soon as you start hearing the pop, that's when you need to take it out. So it's coming through nicely. It's just about to pop. And you just need to make sure that it doesn't burn, otherwise, your balls wouldn't taste nice. So as you can see, it started to pop and it'll turn it white. So I'm just going to put my top in, otherwise it's going to go everywhere. So this is the best part I love watching. So it's just the brown is turning like white. I'm just going to give it a stir one more time. It's like popping candy. So while that's popping, I'm just going to start prepping my other ingredients. So for the dates, you literally just need to blitz them. And I use dates instead of sugar because I just need them to act as a binding agent, and plus dates, it's like natural sugar as well. Just going to put that in. I'm going to stir this as well. Lower my heat a bit. So as you can see, all the grains have started to pop. So you need to keep an eye on it, give it a stir. It's just fun watching this amazing grain just pop into white curd. So I'm just going to start blitzing my dates. So there you go. Literally a few minutes. And this is done as well, so it needs to cool down. So I'm just going to switch this off. Look at it, how amazing it is. It just nicely, I know it's popping everywhere, but that's what you want. So I'm just going to put my pan back on. While that's done, so I'm literally, it's just about combining all the ingredients in now. So I'm going to pop this in. I'm going to put a bit of cocoa powder, a bit of coconut oil, and a free from chocolate. So this is basically a gluten-free dessert. So all this, and you need the zest of an orange. So the whole thing just will literally just bind together itself. And it's full of magnesium, calcium, you got your iron, you got your phosphorus. So it's kind of similar to having like a cereal bar as well. Or you can smell the citrus, so amazing. And the orange color as well. So the white, you got the brown, you got the orange. So everything is just, it's literally just about combining itself. There you go. Get my dates. Put that on one side. And just pop that in. There you go. I literally just mixing everything in. That's all you do is just mix it. You can see all this amazing goodness just binds together. And I generally tend to mix everything with my hand because I like to have the feel of what I'm making. Oh, the chocolate's coming through as well, and you can smell the orange as well. So literally, it's just about binding everything in. You could put this in a tray as well, but I tend to roll it because it's quite easy to do as well. So literally, all you can see is the nice specks of the grain showing as well. So I'm just going to literally just for a few seconds just wash my hands. Now, this is the fun part. So take like a bowl. What you do is just roll them out into any size or shape that you want. And I've splitted the almonds as well. So you put the almond on the top. And roll it. So the almond will stick as well. That's one. And you keep on doing this till literally you have loads of, and this stays in the fridge for a week as well. So it's like you only have to do it once a week, and it's quite healthy, quite nutritious, and it's got all the nuts in it. You can put any kind of nuts you want as well. So sometimes what I do is I actually put the almond inside. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you literally just take a whole almond, put it in, and you roll it. So that's it. And the smell of the orange is amazing in this dessert. It works quite well with the chocolate. And chocolate and orange go quite well anyways. So I've got 3 here, so I can continue doing it, but as I say, just give me a thumbs up or a like or a share, and I'll see you next time.